Hi everyone. I hope you all must be very fine and must be watching all the videos that I generally used to upload every day on YouTube. Okay, the previous session of mine you must have seen the video on which I talked about the dictionary, and it's the 13th chapter. And in that dictionary we have seen what dictionary is basically and how to create a dictionary and how to access the element of a dictionary. Now today I'm going to discuss about the working with dictionaries. It means we'll see the all different ways to work with the dictionaries, and then we'll also talk about the dictionary functions and methods. There are many methods and functions which help us to perform the different kind of operation on dictionary. We'll see that. Okay, as you all came to know, the dictionary is one of the fundamental data type, one of the standard data type that basically help us to map the things in the memory, because dictionary always store the data in the form of key value pairs. I hope this is known to you all. So take any example of the dictionary, but in this like today I'm going to discuss about what are the different ways to create a dictionary, though you know that. But again, let's see, the dictionary can be created by different ways. Now if I'm saying D1 and then equal to curly braces on and off, this is an empty dictionary, you all know, and this symbol curly braces we use to create a dictionary. Then the dictionary can be created like D1 equal to DICT is a method which is a constructor method of the dictionary class, as you all know. You may have a dictionary again D1 equal to DICT, and in the bracket you may mention the element like A, and then you can say apple, and B, suppose you can say A for apple, then again comma, and you can say B for ball. Now you can say again C for cat. Now this is what my dictionary is. So I'm using open close curly braces to open an empty dictionary, or just to create an empty dictionary, as you can see here. So once you see any statement in Python like this, basically I'm going to create a variable D1 as a dictionary, because this two curly braces is meant for the dictionary. If you are using the D1 equal to DICT, you are exactly creating the empty dictionary. If you'll see the D1, if someone will see the print and he or she will use the D1 after this statement, what will be the output? This will be the output, because dictionary is empty. So DICT again is creating a dictionary. Dictionary can be created and initialized like D1 equal to DICT, and then you are passing the element. Third way. The fourth way, you can say again D1 equal to, and you have a DICT as a method, and this method inside it you can pass the curly braces inside the bracket, and again have any short dictionary, close the curly braces and close the bracket. Here you can simply again pass the all element of the dictionary, like if I have a D1 equal to suppose 1, then colon, and I have a, then comma 2, then I have a B, then comma 3, I have a C. So if I am passing this complete set here, it will also create a dictionary. So dictionary method can take the dictionary again element in this way, or you may just completely pass any again dictionary with the curly braces inside it. And if I have already created a dictionary like this, and I want to initialize the element of this dictionary D1 equal to open close bracket, so you can say D1, and now you can use the key. For example, I want 10, and 10 equal to, you can say suppose Mohan. You can say D1 20 equal to Sohan. You can say D1 30 equal to Hari. Now since my dictionary was there empty one, and later I added the element to D110, it means that it's a key. So once you pass the value of a different key, if you will give the command print and D1, after writing this, your dictionary will be like 10, then comma Mohan, and again comma, then 20, and again it will show you Sohan, and likewise. Then again comma, and then it is a 30 colon, and it's a Hari. So this will be your output. Now, different ways you have seen how to create an empty dictionary. Second method, you can create the dictionary by just again DICT constructor of the dictionary again. And third is you can create a dictionary with the DICT and you can pass all the key value pairs of the dictionary. Fourth, you can also create a dictionary by just again saying DICT, and inside the bracket within the curly braces you can pass the key value pairs and close the curly braces, close the braces. Or if you have empty dictionary, then later you can add the different again or initialize the different element like this also. These are the different ways to create a dictionary. I hope this must be very clear to you all, isn't it? These are the different methods to create the dictionary, and concept is how to create a dictionary. It's up to you. But first we have to understand empty dictionary, how to create. Then DICT method, if you're not passing any, it's also making the same. And if you're passing the again value with the DICT, then what will happen? Again you are creating the dictionary and initializing it. And if you are passing the value within the curly braces, again you are creating a dictionary and initializing it. And if you have just created empty and then you are using this kind of a statement Python will add this all element in the dictionary and your dictionary is ready. So this is how the different ways we have to create a dictionary. Now adding element is fine. If a dictionary is already existed, suppose my dictionary was already there D1, which has certain element. For example, I have suppose name colon Ram, and then we have a comma age, and then we have a 20. So name Ram and age 20, this is one of the dictionary I have. Now I want to add the third like address, so I can say later D1 and then address, that is a key, and equal to what address you want to pass. This is how to add a new again value or key value pairs in the dictionary. So you are mentioning the key and then you are passing the value. This will be added to the dictionary. Since it's not a sequential, so it will be added anywhere in the dictionary because there is no order, and dictionary is not a sequential or no ordered followed in the dictionary. If you'll see the print command or apply the print command of the dictionary, again and again it will give you the different again sequence of values of the same dictionary because there is no ordered followed in the dictionary. Now nesting a dictionary, we talked about the nesting also. Nesting of dictionary means a dictionary inside the other dictionary. That is what nesting is. Let's see. Now there may be a situation we want to create a dictionary where we want to store the different things of a particular person, and there are many persons. For example, I have a dictionary called suppose EMP. Now EMP is my dictionary, and in this dictionary what I want to do, I want to store the data like suppose 1 colon. Inside this I have a different again values like itself is a dictionary. So you can say name, then there is a Ram, name of the person, and then comma the age, and age is 20. Try to understand. Then name, age, and maybe the subject, and the subject is suppose computer science or simply COMP. Now this is a one of the, so at the one or the first key itself having more than one element, and likewise it may have like comma, and then at 2 Now 2 having again another dictionary, set of dictionary separated by comma. Again we may have a 3. In this case, what is happening? I have a dictionary having an element, but at the first key we have a many again keys pairs. And again at the second key we have a many key pairs. We have a third key and again we have many pairs. And then we are at last we are going to close. Now this is example of the nested dictionary. As you can see, the imply is such a dictionary which having the dictionary itself as an element in it, or the value itself is a dictionary. That's why it's called a nested dictionary. Now how to refer once I have a nested dictionary, the inner element how you can refer, or nested again dictionary how you can refer. This may be a question in your mind. Now as you all know, these keys are very important in dictionary. 1, then 2 and the 3. These are keys. So you have a key, you know the key means. Simply if you use the for again loop and for k in, and then you use the dictionary emp. Sorry, there is a light problem. Okay, resume back. And I was talking about the nested dictionary. So once a dictionary having an element as a dictionary, then it's called a nested dictionary. So simply you can use the for loop, and for k in imply, this is a for loop as you all know. Now inside the for loop, once I'm referring or I want to refer the individual again element of a nested again dictionary, what I should do? You can use the print command, simply print command, and inside the bracket you can use the str method to translate or to convert the things as in a string, and inside it you can use the dictionary name. So your dictionary is emp, and then you can use the your k means key, and simultaneously you can use the what again like a sub key you want, so you can mention the name. Try to understand what I'm trying to do. And again you can say print and then str, or inside the bracket emp and then k and then second, that is the age. I hope you must be getting now. What I'm trying to do here, try to see it carefully. So for k in imply, it means every key that is a 1, 2 and 3 will come in the k. And then you are trying to print the imply key and with the name, and name is a Ram. So it will give you 1, then Ram, or then second age is this. It means if you will give a one print command extra here, to make it more clear, you simply say print k. It will print the key, means 1, and your output will be 1, and then name Ram, or age 20, then again 2, and then again name and age, and likewise it will keep on again printing. So to refer the internal or inner again like key values in the nested dictionary, I have to simply use the for loop and with the key again as a variable and use the dictionary name. So every key will come to the dictionary. Simply for key in imply, once you are saying you are expecting the every key will come in the k, and once you are printing it, it will show you 1, 2, 3, and then to refer the inside element you are using the k with the again another like inside it what key is. So 1 key, 2 key, 3 key, and likewise, and this is how you can refer the nested again elements of the dictionary if it is a nested again dictionary. Mind it. If you want to update the existing dictionary, if anyone want to update the existing dictionary, mind it, update it implies a dictionary and I want to add something, or suppose any D1 is a dictionary and I want to add something. So there are two cases. Same key can be changed with a new value or new can be added. So once I am saying D1 and then I'm using the name as an attributes, and I'm giving name as a Ramesh. What will happen here? You all can understand. I'm trying to update a key which is existing one with the name NAME, and then I said Ramesh. It means the old name key having the value now Ramesh. This is the circumstances once you want to modify the old value of a particular key. And if you want to add something like name and age is there, and I want to mention class, then I will say D1, and then inside bracket I can mention the class, and then what class you want to mention, 11. So this is what simply you can say, you can say D1 class equal to then what value you have. So suppose 11 or 12 I am writing. This command will add a class as a key with the value 12. So this is how to add, and this is how to modify the existing element of a dictionary. Now deleting element from the dictionary, to delete a particular element from the dictionary, we have to do, either we can use the del command, we can use the pop command, we can use the pop items command, and then we can use the, which command? Clear command. The clear command simply clear every element of the dictionary. So how to use the, or how to delete a particular again element of the dictionary by the del. Just del is a command, del. And then you have to use the key name of the dictionary that you want. For example, D1 is my dictionary, and inside it if I'll say name, so name key will be deleted from the dictionary. So del is a method which takes the dictionary name, and then inside the mid bracket you have to pass the key that you want to delete. After applying this command, if you'll see the print D1, it will show you only age 20 because we have already deleted the name. So this is how to delete the dictionary again element by the help of del method. So deleting a particular again key from the dictionary will delete of course the. Now checking for existing of a key. If you want to check for existing of a key, then we have a two operator, as you all know, in and not win, in or not win. We used in the these two method or operator we have to check the existence of a key. So if I'll say name is there or not after deleting command, so simply I can say NAME name, and then I can say in or dictionary, whatever dictionary name is. So D1, name in D1, it will give me true or false, depend on the availability of this key or not. As you all can understand, once I use the del command with the dictionary, this key has been deleted, and if I'm using name in D1, it will give me false. But if I'll change the command, like if my command is name and then not in instead of in, not in and then D1. Now D1 is a dictionary. Now this statement will give you true because name is not there in the D1. So you will get the true. So you may check for existence of any again key in a dictionary by either the using in or not win. Where in means you want to say name in D1, it means it is there. If it is there, it will give you true. If it is not there, it will give you false. And once you are saying name not in D1, it should be not in, then it is true, otherwise it is false. This is how to check for existence of an element in a dictionary. Now pretty printing is there, and for pretty printing you have to understand. Now if I have a large dictionary, if your dictionary is very large and cannot be simply again used to print by the print command, then remember, if a dictionary is large, JSON is an library that you have to import in your dictionary program. So simply say import and JSON. Now once you use the import JSON, it means that all the functions of the JSON will be available to you. And then there is a method called dumps. Mind it. Dumps is a method that simply again dumps the things according to the way you want. So how to use the dumps method that you have to use? So JSON, since it's a library name, and dot dumps. This is a method, and then whatever the dictionary you have, you can use the dictionary name D1, comma, and then how much space you want. You have a simply you have to say indent equal to 2 or 3 or 4. If someone is writing this method or using the dump method of JSON as a library of the Python, so first of all in that program where you want to have a pretty printing, means you want to print the dictionary according to your need, you can import the JSON. Is a library or module in which we have a dumps method. Without that, if you use it, will give you an error. So just import it. After importing, use the library name .dumps, dumps, and then use the dictionary name, comma, indent 3. Indent 3 means after the each key it will give you 3 space, then the second, then the third. So suppose this dictionary is supposed to be printed by this, so your output will be name, then colon and ram. Sorry, and then we have a A's, colon and 20. So this way you will get the output according to the values that we have. I hope this must be very clear. So whatever the attributes you have, accordingly you can get the, but only differences is we can print according to our need. Here you are seeing the spaces, that spaces cannot be created, and it will give you one after the other and just in a vertical way. So each key will come, name is Ram, so it will give you name Ram, of course according to that. Age is the again character kind and 20, and likewise whatever address if you have, you'll get the address again. So address is a character kind, and then address whatever addresses it was. So decorations if you want, or pretty printing if you want, then we have to remember only the JSON as a module in which we have a dumps method, and dumps method help us to dump the thing according to our own way. Here indent values can be increased and decreased according to the space you want between the key and values. So that is how the pretty